everyone! Thank you so much for tuning in to our official launch of Arcadia at Mason. I'm Yasmin Salem, the lead organizer for the Element series, and I'm so excited to introduce Sam Nestor and Arcadia for the first of 4 new murals at Mason.
My name is Sam Nestor, and I am a New York City-based musician. Arcadia for George Mason University is a public sound and light installation. It is designed to take the natural biorhythms of plants and convert them to MIDI data to control a series of MIDI instruments in real time. It does this through a series of modified biodata sonification devices that register the natural biorhythms within plants and convert them to MIDI data to be sent to a computer with Ableton and Max MSP to output sound. In addition to this, those same signals are controlling an LED light installation that corresponds with the specific musical pitches that are being output by the musical mode the plants are controlling. This creates a synesthetic art piece that is viewable both in person by visiting the President's Park greenhouse on the university campus, or by tuning in to the dedicated Twitch channel that will be streaming a multi-camera broadcast online. This installation is designed for 1 year and will have a variety of collaborators and research partners using the data, monitoring the plant's health, and manipulating the MIDI stream for a variety of activities and events. At the end of the year, all of the native plants that have been a part of this project will be planted within the university's beautiful campus to continue to grow indefinitely as part of a larger green consciousness idea.
I thought of Elements because I wanted to make sustainability a topic of inspiration and reflection for a wider audience at Mason. Environmental consciousness is already a shared value at Mason, and public art is a great tool for even the most casual viewers to reflect on their relationship with nature. Arcadia really resonated with me because it allows people to interact with plants in a way that they're not really used to. Many people regard plants as less conscious than humans, but having an audio-visual expression of what's happening within the plant can serve as a reminder of the shared energy that's within all living things. In addition to live streaming Arcadia from your own device, you can also join the Center for Wellbeing every Thursday at 12 noon for a 30-minute meditation using Arcadia. There's also a Mason Arts at Home performance scheduled for December 15th where you can see Sam Nestor perform with Arcadia.
Hi, I'm Don Russell, curator for George Mason University in Fairfax, Virginia. I've had the great privilege over the last year to work with Yasmin and Sam and many others all across the university, from facilities to advancement to the School of Art to many people in the administration to help us in realizing this intriguing public art project called Arcadia. I'm sure you will find it as intriguing as I did for the many questions that it asks. Among them is, how can we use technology to have an authentic relationship with the natural phenomena that surrounds us at all times? But also, how can it help us recenter ourselves at this crucial moment in our history? These are the types of questions contemporary artists really must ask, and I feel confident that you will find many of your own questions as well as you experience Arcadia. As Mark Cooley, director of Mason's Green Studio and one of our collaborators, commented, "Arcadia not only provides a human-made sanctuary for plants to grow, but provides an innovative and powerful way that we might not only listen to, but participate in nature's song," which I think is a very beautiful way to put it. As university curator at the youngest research university in the country, I see many opportunities for contemporary artists to engage in scientific inquiry, social science, psychology, well-being, social and environmental justice. Murals at Mason is part of Mason Exhibitions, which is in turn part of Mason's School of Art and Design. We provide visual arts programming across all three local campuses, so be sure to check Mason Exhibitions website. It's masonexhibitions.org. You will find all kinds of great documentation of past exhibitions and other useful things for understanding the world of contemporary art today. Finally, art is a way to understand the world from its infinite and diverse possibilities. Art does not offer automatic or definitive answers, but it does excel at raising questions, and formulating questions is the very basis of all research arenas. And art may be the very best way for us to deeply understand our individual and collective agency in the material world. Thank you.